Hello everyone, let me introduce about myself. My name is Keung. I'm 21. My major is information technology. Today I would like to tell you to talk about library announcement. The speaker may be librarians. The speaker may be the listener may be library user. First, the speaker announced the library will be closed in a few minutes. Bring the books you wish to borrow to the checkout desk. Next, all book checkout today are due to back on April 15. Finally, there is a late fee of 25 cents a day. But you can renew your book before they due days by call this phone. Thanks for listening.